In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur something in CapCut. Whether you're on the web version or the app, the process is the same and takes just a few minutes. Start by opening CapCut. If this is your first time, don't worry. CapCut's layout is clean and beginner-friendly. From the home screen, choose Create New. This opens a fresh project and takes you straight into the editor where you'll have a timeline at the bottom, a preview window, and panels for your tools. Before you bring in your footage, set your canvas. Click 16:9 to use the standard widescreen format, which is perfect for platforms like YouTube. If your project is for a different platform, you can pick another aspect ratio later. But 16:9 is a solid default that keeps your framing consistent while you work. Now upload your video. You can drag and drop your file into the media area or use the upload button. Once it's in, add it to the timeline. Give the timeline a quick scrub to find the moment where you want the blur to appear. This helps you apply the effect precisely and keeps your edits organized. Next, open the Effects panel. You'll usually find it in the toolbar or on the left side of the editor. Effects are visual treatments you can apply to your whole clip or to specific portions. In the search bar inside Effects, type Blur. This filters the options so you can immediately see what CapCut offers, from soft Gaussian blurs to stronger mosaic-style blurs. Choose a blur effect that fits your goal. For privacy, a mosaic or pixel blur is often best. For a cinematic look, a classic blur works well. Hover over an effect to preview it, then apply it to your clip. You should see a new effect layer appear in the timeline, which you can trim or position so it only shows up where you need it. With the effect selected, adjust it. Use the intensity or strength slider to control how soft or strong the blur is. Many blur effects let you change the size and position directly in the preview window, so you can place the blur over a face, logo, or sensitive detail. If the subject moves, pause at different points and reposition the blur so it keeps covering what you need throughout the clip. You can also fine-tune feathering and range for a cleaner edge, and shorten or extend the effect layer so it starts and ends at exactly the right moment. Play back your video to confirm the blur looks natural and does its job. That's it. You've blurred your target in CapCut quickly and cleanly.